Hey, this is Tracy Lewis from Stuff and Things with an unboxing from my pre-order sale. Seems a little early for a pre-order, but when you attend the Stampin' Up! Fall on stage event, which was done virtually this year, which was very cool, so I was able to attend, you do get a select amount of products to choose from to pre-order like almost a month extra early. Normally pre-order is 1 month prior, and this is 2 months prior. So I have my order, and in it are a couple, since January is the occasions catalog as well as Sale-A-Bration, I have a mix of both. So let's see what I got. And then at the end, I want to talk about this year's Extravaganze sale, which is in essence their Thanksgiving sale, Black Friday sale, only it's the Monday before Thanksgiving. So we'll talk about that at the end. First off, there's these awesome sponges for doing ombre effects and special sponging. I used to have these years ago for making scenes, and of course I lost all of my supplies, so I'm really excited to have some more. These actually are a larger, a much softer, more velvety feeling brush than what my old ones were, so I'm excited for that. I have Darling Donkeys is a Sale-A-Bration stamp set. I have picked up some awesome post-it notes that are branded Stampin' Up! For maybe gifts for the holidays. Had to get one more blue gem pack for more of my winter cards. Dandy Wishes dies. This die set goes with a stamp set that I won during a prize patrol at the onstage virtual event. So I don't get that stamp set until December, but I did want to get the dies to go with them, and here is what they are. Wonderful dandelion, some leaves. I really like that these leaves look like kind of a Dr. Seuss whimsical tree. Libby pointed this out. So these will be fun. I might try to get some whimsical cards done for the holidays during a Winter is Coming Wednesday episode. See if I can slip that in. There is a new embossing folder. This is a painted, like an oil painting with a spatula treatment. Painted texture 3D. One more pad of post-it notes. Some really pretty ribbon. This is called Fine Art Ribbon, and it is 3/8 of an inch wide, but it is like an oatmeal-y neutral color, you know, like a Sahara sand with some gold lines in it. These sponge daubers, a few of mine have been worn from working on the edges of cardstock, so I had to buy some more. This is a freebie, Sale-A-Bration. It's a $50 item, and they are ombre papers, and I believe they are double-sided. So there's all sorts of them. You get a 48 pack, it feels like. Very nice colors. Now there's a glimmer paper. Sorry, I'm standing in the slide and I can see my camera is moving as I'm standing in here. I apologize for that. So these colors coordinate with the glimmer paper that is a rainbow ombre. So that should be a lot of fun to play with. Here are my catalogs. This is the front of the mini, starting in January, and the front of Sale-A-Bration, and unfortunately until they go live I can't show you the inside, so that's your sneak peek for that. Laser cut paper. This coordinates with the dandy dies I just showed you. and the garden, the dragonfly garden set that I just got for the event and was used to make the 3 cards I've done some videos on. And these are the coordinating laser cut papers. And here's some more pieces, and we have a label and a background cutout. Maybe need to make sure this is in a safe spot, so give me a sec here. I do not want it to fall. Alright, then we have some acetate, gold acetate. I want to use these for the holidays, even though they are, again, for the January catalog. And here is the pretty pattern. And one side is silver. This is what I love. One side is silver, and the other side is gold. This is like a large pattern that you would just cut out. You could use it for, say, a scrapbooking page, or trim it. I could see how then you would get a window, mostly a window with one portion of flower. And then here's just like a medallion pattern. And then last but not least, but very, very important, I have been using my paper pumpkin grid paper for doing videos for the last couple of years, and Hub left a window open, I guess 6 months ago. It was actually during the summer, and we didn't think anything of it. It got too wet. We realized that the window needed to have been closed because it rained pretty hard, but what we didn't know is it went down into this side storage cabinet where my grid paper resides, and most of it got wrinkled. So I was getting so low on it that I asked Hub if he would buy me some new paper for doing videos. And this is, the tagline is better than a box full of puppies. So I thought this was very cute. So you will see this paper used from now on in my videos. And now I want to move on to the extravaganza. So this year's sale is a little different. It usually is that you get a list of products and the discount varies. This year they have decided to go for a full annual catalog sale, 10% off of just about everything. And I do have a PDF that I will put on my blog that excludes some items. So I'm looking at the list here, and I'm just going to point out some items that I see that would be notable. It looks like they are not allowing the Halloween colors, so pumpkin pie, cardstock, refill, and ink, not on sale. Paper pumpkin subscription, varying lengths, none of them are on sale. The sponge daubers aren't on sale. Multi-purpose liquid glue, stays on cleaner, fine tip glue pen, Stampin' Spots uninked. The Many Marvelous markers, if the full set, not on sale. The storage, not on sale. Craft and Carry Stamparatus bag, Stampin' Seal, Holiday Rhinestone Basic Jewels, Trio of Tags dies, Saddle Brown stays on, Stampin' Seals and Plus, Lovely Labels Pick a Punch, Playing with Patterns, it looks like Whisper White, Very Vanilla, and all of the supplies that are Whisper White and Very Vanilla not on sale. Stampin' Write markers, even if you buy them in the different color families. Summer Days Host Cling Stamp Set not on sale. Touched My Heart Host Cling Stamp Set not on sale. Full wood mount stamp cases. So and that's pretty much it. So all of the stamps and dies, except for a couple that I mentioned, are not on sale, and then pretty much supplies. So I will again post the exclusion list. Everything else in the annual catalog will be on sale for one day. It's called the Extravaganza sale on Monday, November 24th. I believe that's a Monday. I should probably verify that. Nope, sorry. That is a Tuesday, November 24th. So I'm going to follow up with an email to my customers so that they know about the sale. Let everybody know who you know might want to take part in the sale. And you can shop the sale. It'll automatically apply to those items on that date. And I have a link to my store. All you have to type is www.stuffandthingswithaz.com/shop, and that will take you to my Stampin' Up store. And like I said, everything will be on sale on that date from midnight to midnight. If you have any questions, concerns, or suggestions, let me know in the comments of the YouTube article, or I mean of the YouTube video, or over on my blog article. And hopefully you found my unboxing and the extravaganza sale details fun and interesting, and thanks for watching.